Hello and welcome to another episode of the Midday Update. I'm Angelica Mendoza and you are watching TTV. Let's take a look at today's top headlines. Oman's health minister talks about the Omicron severity. National Museum inaugurates exhibition. NASA's probe enters Sun's atmosphere for the first time. Australian Prime Minister tested for the COVID-19 following casual contact. Shaheen Shah Afridi helps Pakistan register win. For the weather update, we are expecting mainly clear skies over most of the Sultanate. Let's take a look how the temperature is expected to be.
Muscat is expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 16 and 25 degrees Celsius. Musandam is also expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 19 and 24 degrees Celsius. North Al-Batina is expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 16 and 25 degrees Celsius. South Al-Batina is also expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 16 and 24 degrees Celsius. Al-Buraimi is also expecting to be sunny, with temperatures between 17 and 28 degrees Celsius. Al-Dahira is expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 15 and 26 degrees Celsius. Al-Dakhliya is expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 15 and 26 degrees Celsius. North Al-Sharqiya is also expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 15 and 26 degrees Celsius. South Al-Sharqiya is also expecting to be sunny, with temperatures between 18 and 24 degrees Celsius. Al-Wusta is expected to be sunny, with temperatures between 15 and 27 degrees Celsius. And finally, Dhofar is also expecting to be sunny, with temperatures between 20 and 26 degrees Celsius.
Caught the suede Air Force knock Walla. Dice screens on my shirt collar. Caught the suede Air Force knock Walla.
This is a Midday Update and is the moment of the COVID update. The ministry has registered no new deaths due to COVID-19 today. This keeps a total of 4,113 COVID-19 related deaths in the Sultanate. Additionally, the Ministry of Health has registered a total number of 304,761 confirmed cases in the Sultanate. And also a total of 20 new coronavirus cases has been confirmed in the last 24 hours. One COVID-19 case has been recently confirmed as recovered, which adds a total of 300,114 recovery cases in the country. The Ministry of Health and Supreme Committee has urged all the citizens and residents in the country to adhere to all precautionary measures. Oman now has 12 suspected cases of the Omicron variant of COVID-19. Health Minister Dr. Ahmed bin Mohammed Al Saidi indicated on Tuesday evening in an interview with Oman TV. However, he said that the risks associated with the new mutant variant of COVID-19 Omicron are lesser than previous variants so far. On vaccine coverage, he said the percentage of vaccinated Omanis from the target group of 12 years and over is not to 92%. and the percentage of those who received the second dose is 86%. He pointed out that the primary concern about the Omicron variant was the speed at which it was spreading and the reduced response to vaccinations. I appeal to all citizens and residents to head to vaccination centers. Reports from South Africa indicates that the variant is less virulent, but the speed at which it is spreading is worrying. The National Museum inaugurated an exhibition, Gardens of Paradise, the language of flowers in ethnic ceramics, on Wednesday. A statement issued online by Oman news agency said that the National Museum, in cooperation with the Louvre Abu Dhabi Museum, inaugurated and its headquarters in the Muscat exhibition, Gardens of Paradise, the language of flowers in ethnic ceramics, with the aim of shedding light of the art of ethnic ceramics decorated with flowers and the symbols it embodies related to evoking Quranic descriptions that remind people of the Gardens of Paradise. The exhibition will last for a year. Let's take a quick commercial break and we'll be right back with our international stories. This is the Midday Update. Let's take a look at our international stories. A NASA spacecraft has gone closer to the Sun than ever before, entering its atmosphere known as the corona, scientists from the United States Space Agency said on Tuesday. The successful first contact with the Sun's outer layer was announced at an American Geophysical Union meeting after a 93 million-mile journey from Earth. Why is this corona contact so significant? The Parker Solar Probe stayed for 5 hours in the corona in April during its 8th close encounter with the Sun. It then took scientists several months to receive the data and analyze it to confirm the achievement. Parker launched from Earth in 2018 and got to within 8 million miles of the center of the Sun. It crossed into the solar atmosphere at least 3 times, where temperatures can reach 2 million kelvins at a speed of 62 miles a second. What can we learn from the Sun? Scientists hope to discover more about our solar system storms and flares that interfere with life on Earth. Project scientist Noah Rawafi of Johns Hopkins University said that the feed was fascinatingly exciting, remarking that the corona was dustier than expected. With the Sun not having a solid surface, the corona is of significant interest to scientists with its electronic field and the solar wind it creates. Parker made its 10th approach to the Sun in August and will continue to observe the star at the center of the solar system until the final orbit in 2025. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison was tested for COVID-19 late Tuesday after being deemed in a casual contact. The testing followed his attendance at a school graduation ceremony in Sydney last Friday. A COVID-19 case was later found to be among the 1,000-person event. Morrison's office confirmed he was deemed a casual contact by New South Wales authority, but he was returned to negative COVID-19 polymerase chain reaction test since the event. A New South Wales Health and the Chief Medical Officer have advised he is not required to isolate. The incident came when the virus, including the new Omicron variant, is wreaking havoc again in New South Wales, where Sydney locates. The latest news daily case number has jumped to 1,360 on Wednesday, an increase of more than 50% compared to 104 on the previous day. Despite being identified as casual contact, Morrison will travel on Wednesday to the state of Queensland, which used to close its borders to New South Wales and Victoria for months due to the concern over the spread of the virus, and just reopened. Let's take a quick commercial break and we'll be right back with our sports section. is the Midday Update, and it's time to talk about sports. Shaheen Shah Afridi bowled perfectly at the death as Pakistan defeated West Indies by 9 runs in the second T20 of the 3-match series here at the National Stadium on Tuesday. With this win, Pakistan has gained an accessible 2-0 lead in the 3-match series. The final match will be played on Thursday. Chasing 173, West Indies lost Shai Hope and Sharmak Brooks with the 31 runs of the road. Brandon King and skipper Skolas Puran then got together at the crease to retrieve the innings for the visitors. Both batters put on 54 runs on the third wicket before Puran was scalped by Mohammad Nawaz, with Windies needing 88 runs to win from 54 balls. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the 8 p.m. show and keep watching TTV.
You've just heard the live feed from the TTV studios on TFM 95.4. Let's talk.